If you are in the computer industry, you may have heard about a language called Python. This scripting language is very powerful. It gives you the ability to control the OS function, move files, copy, delete, and hell, you can make great command line tools. Scripting gives you the chance to take control in a world that is rapidly spinning out of the orbit. This little sense of control can be of great reprieve. Popping open a terminal, hunkering down, and coming up with a spot solution can be invigorating. Then you place it aside and save it for another time place. It is always said when a thing is taking more than 90 seconds to do, script it. Python is a fantastic language. It uses the cases ranging from AI programming, data analysis, website development, web scraping, data manipulation, and down to simple Fibonacci script. The use are truly endless, and the more I continue to learn about Python, the more use cases I have found. It's almost like writing a pseudocode and running it. Implementing your thoughts on the screen is straightforward while writing Python script. If you have never seen Python before today, here is a simple script that you can see on your screen, and you can simply note it down on your Python file and can run simply with python file name.py. You'll probably want Python if you didn't before. Be sure to reference the Python API from time to time. The link is given in the description. Python 2.7 is finito. Well, it's still widely used in community and enterprise, but support for 2.7 ended on 1 January 2020 with a financial critical release of 2.7.18 on April 20, 2020 this year. This is the end of life for the 2.7 and all the developers are moving towards 3.x versions. Python 3 added a suite of exciting new features over its predecessor. The list includes print statement versus print function, division with integer, Unicode support, X-range change to range, raising exception and exception handling, for loop variables and global variable leak, raw input to input, bankers rounding, and more. The best thing which I have seen that outlines the key difference between version was written in a post in 2014. There are many projects which I have built in Python, for which I'll be linking down my GitHub. You can probably go check them out and star if you find some of them interesting. As you notice that most of the projects which I made are quite slim and focused on one point. That's why I find that Python shines. Maybe it's just the simplicity of the language flowing with code, but running slim in Python just works well. If you haven't already checked out my projects and the videos which I made on Python, you can check them out. So yeah, that is it for this video.